four-leaf clover?
Not yet. Have you found a four-leaf clover?
Not yet.
Finding four-leaf clovers is hard. How many leaves does a four-leaf clover have again, Doodle?
4 leaves, I think. Wait, I found something. Oh, it's just a stick.
A can of peaches?
Is that? No, just a rock.
Ribbit,
Hey, a frog!
ribbit,
Do you get lucky frogs, Doodle?
I don't think so, Odo.
ribbit.
I think... Yes! It's a clover!
It is. How many leaves does it have?
1, 2, 3... Oh, it's just a 3-leaf clover. Keep hunting, Doodle.
Today we shall be doing some pottery with lovely squishy clay.
Yay!
Oh, mind my feathers.
A nature ramble is a wonderful thing. As we stroll through the trees, we'll spot many amazing creatures and interesting plants. Now, the forest is very big, and some of you are very small. Find a partner and stick together for the whole of our ramble. Is that understood?
Yes. I'm sticking with you, Odo.
Oh. Hello, little Scuttle.
Are we all ready?
Yes, Camp Leader.
Let's go and keep a sharp eye out for interesting flora and fauna.
I know flora and fauna, and believe me, they're not that interesting.
Ooh.
I'll keep looking on this side, Odo, and you keep looking on that side. Ooh, I've already seen a stick.
Ooh, berry just paints. Raspberry, blueberry, blackcurrant, gorse.
Today, campers, we will create a portrait of your favourite bird in all the
Whoa, trying to get some shut-eye here.
Today, campers, we'll be learning all about how to identify animal tracks. Can anyone tell me who made these tracks?
That's rabbit tracks.
Well done. Now, what about this?
Easy. A snake did that.
Or a pigeon post and a bicycle.
Yes, very funny, Flo. I want you all to look hard for animal tracks. Try to identify them.
Come on, Doodle. Let's see what we can track.
These look like chicken tracks, and they just go in cycles.
These must be hedgehog tracks.
These have clearly been left by a badger.
Well done, campers. Remember to keep checking your animal tracking books and make a note of all the tracks you find.
Oh no, my bag. I was in such a hurry. I guess I forgot it.
Never mind, Dodo. You can have some of my paper.